Everyone, welcome to Heron Academy's YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you a very important concept before giving you the series of how to speak in English. So today's vlog is on how to be an effective communicator. Whether you are doing business communication or you are doing any communication for that matter. आप कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन अगर करना चाहते हैं जैसे अपनी फैमिली में या फिर अपने वर्क प्लेस में, देन हाउ यू हैव टू बी एन इफेक्टिव स्पीकर and how to communicate your mind to the other person effectively, which I am going to tell you today. So now the first and the foremost thing is that you have to be correct, clear and concise in whatever you are doing. The first step, as you can see in the slide, is what happens is the first thing is when a sender, the sender means the source, जो source है जब वो बात करना चाहता है किसी के साथ, so what is the first thing that he does? He conceptualizes and he creates a message and then he sends the message. Means meaning or information he intends to communicate. मतलब वो मीनिंग और वो मैसेज जो वो अपने सेंडर को देना चाहता है, फर्स्ट ही कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइजेज दैट एंड देन ही ट्राइज टू स्पीक. सो विदाउट कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइजिंग एनीथिंग, बिना किसी चीज़ को सोचे, बिना कोई फॉर्मेट आपके दिमाग में, यू कैनॉट जस्ट सिंपली स्पीक. सो योर माइंड शुड बी विथ अ थॉट or a concepted idea that you want to speak on something. Yes, that is the first golden rule of business communication or any communication for that matter. Now, the source is the speaker. And why is he speaking? As you can see in the slide, he may do so to inform the other person, to persuade someone, to influence someone. अब हम जब बात करते हैं किसी से तो हम क्यों कम्युनिकेट करते हैं? हम या तो इन्फॉर्मेशन देने के लिए करते हैं या हम किसी को परसुएट करने के लिए करते हैं कि ये प्लीज़ ये काम मेरा कर दो, या यू वांट टू इन्फ्लुएंस समवन, देन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग योर आइडियाज एंड थॉट्स टू समवन. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट इट स्टार्ट्स विद अ कॉन्वर्सेशन, एंड कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू पीपल एंड और कॉन्वर्सेशन इन अ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. ही इज समवन, the source is someone who is giving his mind to the listeners. तो source वो होता है जो अपना mind जो है वो listeners को देता है. So number first, what he does it, he conceptualizes and then he tries to persuade, inform or speak to the listeners or the receivers. Okay, so determining the message, what to say and how to say is a very important first step of communication skills. Conceptualizing it, then what you have to and how you have to say is the first connect of communication skills. Now the second that follows, as you can see, you have to choose the right message, and here comes the syntax of a sentence, vocabulary in place. You have to choose the right message and choose the right word according to the situation. जो situation में appropriate है, you have to select those words, phrases and clauses, and then you have to speak your mind and convey the intended message. Yes. And the last and the third step is you have to find the connect with the listener. Present or send the information to a defined stress on the word that is conveyed. That means you have to put a stress on to the word that you are conveying. सारे words में आप stress नहीं डाल सकते. So the connect with the speaker you will find with the word where you recognize and find the stress onto the word, and then the word that you are speaking should match with your body language, gesture and your facial expressions. Yes, So let me tell you, the first thing what you have to do is you have to conceptualize your ideas, what to and how to. Then the second is that you have to be very selective with the words that you are choosing, and the third is that you have to see that whether it is matching with your body language or gesture when you are finding the connect. Yes, and the final step is it is not over here कि आपने बोल दिया तो आपने सोचा कि मेरी कम्युनिकेशन ओवर हो गई. You are wrong here. When the speaker or the listener, when the listener or the audience or the receiver has not observed and then he has not perceived और उसने आपसे question नहीं किया, आपसे पूछा कुछ नहीं, तो then there is no connect. If he or she is just a listener, then there is a gap in communication. So what you have to do, after you have given a mind, then you have to observe the audience version or the audience reaction to it. Perceive how he has taken those words or those sentences or that communication which you wanted to give it to him. Yes. So respond, then thereafter you respond accordingly to what the communicator has said. Yes. So these steps you have to always keep it in mind. Stay tuned till then for my next series. I'll soon be back with more of this. Thank you so much for watching Heron Academy's YouTube channel. If you have liked it, please share and subscribe it. And if you want to learn something more and something different, you can put your comment into the comment box and I will definitely answer your comments. Thank you so much. Stay safe.